cannot resist. Become a sacrifice to the blood moon. Embrace it.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the National Weather Service. At 7:05 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an earthquake measured 10.1 at the Richter scale occurred 200 miles off of San Francisco, California. As a result of this earthquake, a mega tsunami measured 1,092 feet in height is expected to hit the following states: Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, Arizona, Utah, Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, Mesaverde, Denarda, Alaska, Klondike, and Hawaii. This mega tsunami is expected to hit the west coast, including the Alaskan coast, the state of Klondike, and the Hawaiian Islands within the next 20 minutes. This is a particularly dangerous situation. All residents in coastal regions or low-lying areas must evacuate and seek higher ground immediately. Don't pick up relatives from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes as they are being evacuated to high ground. As you evacuate, do not look at the blood moon. Doing so will trigger it and will make you answer question to prove your worthiness towards Tartarus. Answering it poorly or ignoring the question will result in the following consequences: getting struck by lightning randomly, a time rift spawns on top of the civilian that will drop down an object made completely of acid, or a death hand forms from thin air and will chase its victim until it makes contact. When the death hand makes contact, expect a sharp burning pain, almost like getting shot. Evacuating will be dangerous due to frequent sky-to-ground lightning, celestial debris, boulder-sized snowballs, airstrikes, falling stars, and time rifts occurring worldwide. All residents must evacuate and watch for the foreign objects. Getting hit by these objects will result in injuries or worse. Repeating, a large mega tsunami is expected to hit the Pacific coast including all of Alaska, Klondike, and Hawaii within the next 20 minutes. Seek higher ground immediately.